In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create a multi-vendor food ordering app using WordPress, WooCommerce, and a few powerful free plugins. This setup allows multiple restaurants to register, upload their own menus, accept orders, and deliver food, all from one single platform that works like a real mobile app. This is perfect if you want to build something like Uber Eats, Zomato, or DoorDash on a smaller scale. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress admin panel. This is your main dashboard where you'll manage everything on your website. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Plugins, then choose Add New. This is where we'll install all the tools needed to turn a regular WordPress site into a multi-vendor food ordering app. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the core engine that handles products, pricing, carts, checkout, and payments. Click Install Now, and once it finishes installing, click Activate. After activation, WooCommerce will automatically launch its setup wizard. Go through the setup carefully. Choose your store location, currency, and business details. When asked about payments, you can enable options like cash on delivery, Stripe, or PayPal, depending on how you want customers to pay. Complete the setup until you land back on your dashboard. Now that WooCommerce is ready, it's time to add multi-vendor functionality. Go back to Plugins, click Add New again, and search for Dokan Multivendor. Install and activate the Dokan Multivendor plugin. Dokan allows different restaurants or vendors to sign up on your site, manage their own dashboards, upload food items, and receive orders independently. Once activated, Dokan will prompt you to run its setup wizard. Click through the Dokan setup and configure basic options like vendor commissions, store URLs, and withdrawal methods. This step is important because it defines how vendors will earn money on your platform. After confirming your Dokan setup, your site is now officially multi-vendor ready. Next, we're going to make the site look and behave like a real food ordering app. Go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for Orderable. Install and activate the Orderable plugin. Orderable transforms WooCommerce into a food menu-style layout, adds mobile-first design, and allows features like delivery time slots and pickup scheduling. This makes ordering food fast and simple for customers, especially on phones. Once Orderable is active, configure its settings to match your restaurant flow, such as menu layouts, category displays, and ordering times. Finally, let's turn this website into an app-like experience. Go to Plugins, click Add New, and install SuperPW if it's not already installed. After activation, go to SuperPWA settings. Enter your application name, for example something like VRR Eats. Upload a 512 by 512 application icon. This icon will be used when users add your app to their home screen. Once configured, visitors using Chrome or Safari will see an Add to Home Screen prompt. When they tap it, your food ordering platform installs on their phone and behaves just like a native app, without needing to publish anything to the App Store or Play Store. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a multi-vendor food ordering app using WordPress, WooCommerce, Dokan, Orderable, and SuperPWA. Restaurants can now register, upload menus, accept orders, and customers can order food directly from their phones. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone looking to build their own food delivery app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.